And now on BBC Radio 4, the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Tuesday the 6th of February. There are warnings of gales in Viking, Forties, Cromarty, Tyne, Dogger, Humber, Thames, Dover, Wight, Portland, Plymouth, Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, Shannon, Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800. Low South East Iceland 989, expected south at Sierra 982 by 1800 Tuesday. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking, north at Sierra, south at Sierra 40s. Cyclonic 3 to 5, increasing 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 in Viking and 40s. Rain or wintry showers, good, occasionally very poor. Cromarty 4th. West 3 to 5, increasing 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 in Cromarty, veering north later, showers becoming wintry, good, occasionally very poor. Tyne, Dogger. West or southwest 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 or 5 for a time, veering north later, occasional rain, then showers later, good, occasionally poor. Fisher. Cyclonic, becoming west, veering northwest later, 5 to 7, rain, then showers, good, occasionally poor. German Bight, Humber, Thames, Dover. West or southwest, 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later in Thames and Dover, occasional rain or drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Wight, Portland, Plymouth, Biscay. Westerly or southwesterly 5 to 7, occasionally 4 in Biscay and gale 8 later elsewhere. Occasional rain or drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Trafalgar, variable 2 to 4, becoming southwest 3 to 5 later, fair, good. Fitzroy, Seoul, southwest 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8 later in Seoul. Occasional rain or drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, Shannon. West or southwest 6 to gale 8, veering north or northeast 3 to 5 later, occasional rain or drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Rockall, cyclonic, becoming north or northwest 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 to 6 later, rain, then wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Malin, cyclonic 5 to 7, becoming northwest 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 to 6 later, rain, then wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes and South East Iceland. Cyclonic 7 to severe gale 9, becoming north or northwest 4 to 6 in South East Iceland and later elsewhere. Squally wintry showers, good, occasionally very poor, light icing in South East Iceland. And now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300 on the 5th of February. Tyree, automatic. Northwest by west, 4. Recent drizzle, 14 miles, 999, falling slowly. Stornoway. Southwest by west, 4. Slight rain, 5 miles, 995, falling slowly. Lerwick. East-southeast, 5. Slight drizzle, 27 miles, 994, falling. Wick, automatic. Southwest by west, 3. Recent rain, 24 miles, 994, falling more slowly. Aberdeen. Northwest by west, 2. 16 miles, 996, now rising. Lukers. West-southwest, 4. Recent precipitation, more than 38 miles, 996, falling more slowly. Boomer. Southwest by west, 6. 14 miles, 999, falling slowly. Bridlington. Southwest 4, 1005, falling slowly. Sandy light vessel automatic. Southwest 7, 2 miles, 1016. St. Catherine's Point automatic. West-southwest 6, 1018, falling more slowly. Jersey. Southwest 5, 13 miles, 1022, falling slowly. Channel light vessel automatic. West 6, 1019. Scilly automatic. Southwest 6, rain 3 miles 1019, falling slowly. Milford Haven, southwest by west 4, recent rain 3 miles 1014, falling slowly. Aberporth, southwest by west 6, rain 1 mile 1012, falling more slowly. Valley, southwest 5, mist 3 miles 1009, falling slowly. Liverpool Crosby, southwest by west 6, 7 miles 1008, falling slowly. Valencia, southwest 4, recent drizzle 11 miles 1012, falling slowly. Ronaldsway, southwest 5, 1005, falling. Mallinhead, west-northwest 4, slight rain 2 miles 1001, now rising. And Machrihanish Automatic, southwest 5, rain 2 miles 1000, falling. And here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Monday the 5th of February. The general situation: high pressure to the south of the United Kingdom persists, with a low pressure centre developing to the north and moving southeastwards over the next couple of days. This puts the United Kingdom in a brisk westerly flow for much of Tuesday, which brings strong winds and gales at times across the inshore waters. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. Westerly 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8, then veering northerly or northwesterly, occasionally severe gale 9 in north, decreasing 4 to 6 later. Wintry showers, good, occasionally very poor. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed. Westerly or southwesterly 3 or 4, increasing 5 to 7, then veering northerly or northwesterly later, occasionally gale 8 later in north. Occasional rain, then showers, wintry later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby. West or southwest 4 to 6, occasionally 7 at first, veering north or northwest 4 or 5 later. Occasional rain, then showers later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. West or southwest 5 to 7, veering west or northwest 4 or 5, occasional rain, then showers later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Southwesterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 in far southeast, veering westerly or northwesterly 4 or 5 later, occasional rain later, good, occasionally poor later. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Westerly or southwesterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first in far east and later elsewhere. Occasional drizzle, then rain later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. West or southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later, occasional drizzle, then rain later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. West or southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later, occasional drizzle, then rain later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Land's End to St. David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. West or southwest 5 or 6, increasing 7 or gale 8, veering north 3 or 4 later, occasional drizzle, then rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. St. David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St. George's Channel. West or southwest 5 or 6, increasing 7 or gale 8, veering north 3 or 4 later, occasional rain or drizzle, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. West or southwest 6 to gale 8, veering northwest 4 to 6, then north 3 or 4 later, rain, then mainly fair later, moderate or good, occasionally poor at first. Isle of Man. Southwest 6 or 7, veering northwest 4 to 6, then north 4 or 5 later, rain becoming fair later, moderate or good, occasionally poor at first. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch. Southwesterly, veering northwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in north, then northerly 2 to 4 later, rain or drizzle, then showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Southwesterly, veering westerly or northwesterly 5 to 7, then becoming variable 2 to 4 later, rain or drizzle, then showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor at first. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. Northwesterly 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8, veering northerly 4 to 6 later, then becoming variable 2 to 4 later. Rain or drizzle, then showers, becoming wintry later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. Westerly, veering northwesterly, then northerly later, 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later in north, bagging westerly 3 to 5 later, wintry showers, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. And Shetland Isles. Southeasterly, becoming cyclonic 4 to 6, increasing 7 to severe gale 9, becoming northerly 6 to gale 8 later. Squally, wintry showers, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. And that completes the shipping bulletin. The next shipping forecast will be at 5:20 later this morning. However, due to essential engineering work, the shipping forecast at midday will be unavailable to some long-wave listeners in Scotland. Well, that's it for another day here on BBC Radio 4. On behalf of my colleague Chris Aldridge in the newsroom and myself, Al Ryan, here in Broadcasting House, if you have been, thanks for listening. Have a safe, quiet and peaceful night. Good night. Ihuwa.